When the economy gets shaky, people start looking for something solid. And for centuries, gold has been that something. And over the last year and a half, gold's role as a safe haven hasn't just stayed steady, it's actually gotten stronger. Think about it. While folks have been worrying about stubborn inflation, stock market roller coasters, and a possible economic slowdown, gold has quietly done what it does best: stand its ground. Just to put this into perspective, not too long ago, gold sat comfortably around $2,063 an ounce. That was January 2024. Fast forward just 18 months or so, and gold smashed through old records, breaking past $3,400 and eventually past $3,500. That is one of the sharpest runs we've seen in years, and a pretty clear sign that people are flocking to gold to help protect what they've worked so hard to build. Now, a lot of folks ask, but what happens if there's a recession? Doesn't everything lose value? Well, gold's track record here might surprise you, and probably in a good way. Nobody's got a crystal ball for the next downturn, but if you look at history, gold tends to do pretty darn well when things go south. During the Great Recession back in 2007 to 2009, gold prices jumped as folks ran from the stock market chaos. Then, when COVID-19 hit in 2020, gold prices shot over $2,000 an ounce for the first time ever. It's like when the world starts to wobble, gold stays calm and just does its thing. One reason? Gold's safe haven appeal. When markets are tumbling and everyone's panicking about job losses or plummeting portfolios, gold has that timeless reputation as a store of value. No CEO messing up the numbers, no quarterly reports to sweat over, just a tangible asset that people trust when they can't trust much else. And that's not all. Central banks usually respond to recessions by slashing interest rates and pumping money into the economy. When rates drop, the opportunity cost of holding gold, which doesn't pay interest, also drops, and that can boost demand. On top of that, governments often open the spending floodgates during tough times. That can stir up fears about currency devaluation. Basically, your dollars don't stretch as far. But gold is not tied to any one country's promises, so it shines even brighter when folks start side-eyeing their cash. It's this same story that makes some retirement savers think about setting up a precious metals IRA, a way to tuck gold right into their retirement plan. Because let's face it, paper promises come and go, but gold's ability to hedge against storms has stood the test of time. Now, recessions aren't the only thing that push gold prices around. There are other forces at play as well. For example, central banks have been buying up gold for years to diversify away from dollar reserves. That steady demand keeps a floor under prices. Inflation's another big driver. When your dollars lose buying power faster than your bank accounts or bonds can make up for it, gold, well, looks pretty appealing. And geopolitical tensions, whether it's trade disputes, conflicts, or political shakeups, gold is the go-to move when headlines get messy. Currency movements play their part as well. Since gold is priced in US dollars, a weaker dollar means gold gets cheaper for other countries to buy, so demand can spike. And hey, don't forget supply issues. Mining gold is not easy. Ore grades are dropping and there's more red tape than ever. All of this can put a lid on new supply, supporting prices when demand ramps up. And sure, like any asset, gold can wobble in the short term. No one should expect it to move in a straight line. I mean, nothing does. But that's why many retirement savers don't see gold as a get-rich-quick play. It's the piece you add to your portfolio for the long game, a steady, reliable counterweight when the rest of your portfolio is zigging and zagging. And if you really want to see how some folks lock in that kind of peace of mind, it's worth peeking at how a gold IRA works. For a lot of people nearing retirement, it's about helping protect what they've already built, not rolling the dice. You might even qualify for a free gold and silver kit, a little roadmap that explains how it all works and how to see if you can qualify for up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver, plus a free Ronald Reagan silver coin while supplies last. Bottom line, gold's decades, heck centuries of history speak for themselves. From ancient empires to modern recessions, it's stayed valuable through just about every storm. Sure, we don't know exactly what tomorrow brings, but one thing is clear. When uncertainty strikes, gold's the old friend you're glad you kept around. Hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, a well-diversified portfolio isn't just a good idea, it could help you sleep better at night as well. Hey, don't forget to subscribe for more stories and insights just like this. Remember, stay informed and stay prepared.